Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are doing this nice, pretty, curly, wild hair. If you guys are wondering how I did my makeup, I actually did a tutorial on this. This is a no makeup look with fox freckles. If you guys are wondering where I got my lashes from, my lashes are from Blooming Daisy Studios. That's her Instagram name. She is located in West Covina. I absolutely love her. She's actually a really good friend of mine from high school. And she is just an amazing freaking lash technician. So if y'all in that area, California, West Covina, y'all need to go to her. She is the bomb. And if you guys are following me on any of my personal social medias, make sure you guys go do that. Snapchat has been a little iffy because a new update I freaking hated because I was heavily stalking other makeup artists and now I cannot find them for my freaking life. Even if I try like searching for them, it's like, oh, you need to subscribe to them. Okay, I subscribe to them, and then when I try finding them to watch their freaking stories, I can't find them. And I also noticed that my views have significantly dropped. It's very sad. But enough of my rant. Let's just go ahead and start this tutorial on this weave. Just kidding. This is all my hair. But let's get started. Okay, so I have no parts of my hair. I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't put shit in it. And I actually didn't even brush my hair today. So the first part I'm gonna go in with is the Ion Heat Protecting Smoothing Spray. I absolutely love this spray. If you have oily hair, I would not recommend this. I actually recommend this for people who have dry hair like myself or damaged hair, because I think I'm getting there because how often I've been dyeing my hair. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a generous amount. And I'm just gonna pat it onto my hair. Or you can grab a brush and just brush it onto your hair. And it leaves your hair feeling not oily, but kind of like a silky, oily smoothness. I like it. I honestly like it. And I'm just gonna keep spraying it all over my hair. Just brushing this product onto my hair. La 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 la. And no joke, you will feel the difference immediately after you spray that onto your hair. This is literally like my 8th bottle buying. I kid you not, I've used other products and this is the product that I go back to every single time. If you have me on Snapchat, y'all know how often I use this. The next part I'm gonna use is by Paul Mitchell. It's the super skinny serum, so I'm just gonna pump once. That's all I need. Mix it into my hands, it's nice and warm, and then apply this sucker onto my tips, on my roots, just everywhere. Throughout my whole cabello. And now your hair should smell and feel freaking amazing. The curling iron or wand that I'm gonna be using is by Numi. This is the 8-in-1 wand. Anyways, we're gonna open this sucker up. So we have the pearl, the 19 cone, the 13mm, which is the one I'm gonna use, the reverse, the 25 cone, the 32, the 25mm, and the 19mm. So my little dildo is already connected. You can see it's already on. I am heating it at 250 because I don't want to burn my hair off. As always, we are gonna part our hair. You can use a rubber band, you can use a clip, because it doesn't matter anyways, because we are just gonna curl this mother. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a small little section like these, and whatever side you're doing, I like to use the opposite hand to hold my wand. So I'm gonna hold the wand with my left hand. I'm gonna bring it back like this, like these, so it looks kind of weird. And then now I'm just gonna twirl my hair back. And then I'm gonna leave it here for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go of the tip. And then there's my curl. There's my curl. Now I'm just gonna set that back. My hair doesn't need hairspray, so I don't use it. But if you do, make sure you spray a little bit and then wait until it gets a little tacky, and then go ahead and separate your hair. Grab your wand, start curling it, and I'm curling it towards the back. Get it all the way to the tip. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let go, and then boom, there's your curl. Curl for the girls. I feel if I'm curling the right side of my hair, and if I'm using my right hand to hold the wand, I burn my ear. I always burn my ear. I don't know why. It's just me. I don't know. And then that's pretty much all you're gonna be doing for the next fucking 30 minutes or however long it takes you to do your hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. How pretty, honey. And then we're going to do it again, and again, and again, and again, until we are completely finished with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to let go. So right now my phone is telling me it's 3:36, and I never really timed myself, so let's see how long this motherfucker takes me to finish. I forgot to mention this, but always make sure that you're near the root of your hair. Not the root as in you're gonna fucking burn your hair off, but like kind of near it. That way the curl starts somewhere natural, not like in the semi-middle where you actually can see straight to curl. Because I have straight hair, so obviously you can tell if I didn't fucking curl it right. Especially when you start getting to the top of your hair, that's when you'll see more of the curls. Obviously in the bottom you can get away with it a little bit more, but definitely in the top, especially after we start brushing our hair out to get it more volume, you really want to get more near to the root. So it's okay if you grab like big sections like this, because obviously I was doing smaller section like this. It's okay because we're gonna brush it out anyways, and sometimes it is easier, and well, not easier, faster. Especially since we're just gonna brush this out. You just hold it a little longer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just let go. See, still does the job. Still does the job. As you can see, grabbing another big section. As you start getting more to the top, then really start going into smaller sections. But right now it's fine just because we are brushing out the hair. And no one's gonna be able to really see the root of that part. Now we're at the top of our head, and this is pretty much your preference. Me personally, I am gonna go down the middle like this. And then I'm just gonna curl it as I have been curling it for the past 20 minutes, I believe. And I'm gonna, what's going on? Still grabbing small sections, as you can see. And just getting it as close to my root as possible. I am not burning my head, as you can see, because if I was, it would not be this close, and I would be like, like a little monkey. By the time you are here, your arms are gonna be fucking burning. Because my arms are burning. And I haven't stopped. It's been exactly 20 minutes. It is 3:56 right now. Exactly 20 minutes. You guys don't have to hold it for 5 seconds. If you guys feel like your hair needs longer than 5 seconds for the heat to activate onto your hair, then go for it. I personally don't feel like I need to be holding the wand longer than it should. Like, look at that, was like 3 seconds. But everyone's hair is different. And also depends the thickness of the hair you are curling. If you're only curling a thin layer of hair, this should only take like 3 seconds. If you're curling a thicker piece, then yeah, I would say 5, no more than 10 seconds. Okay, so we are done. We are looking like we are going to a quinceañera. I personally like to comb my fingers through my hair like this. especially since I have no hairspray on it. But if you do have hairspray in your hair, I would recommend a brush and just combing it really gently. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tease my fingers through my hair. That way it's nice. Got all this extra volume. Okay, last part I'm gonna use is the Kenra Silkening Mist. I love this. This is actually my 4th can that I had bought. It leaves your hair looking super silky smooth and it smells amazing. Alright, baby girls and boys, whoever are my viewers. This is how I get this nice volume, loosey, tidy, whitey curls. I don't know what the hell you want to call them because they are tight curls, but because I brush them, they become loose. But I absolutely love curling my hair this way. It is a bit time consuming, but it is well worth it. Especially me, I can wear my hair like this for 2 to 3 days. Oh my god, I just love the outcome of it. And I get so many compliments on when I do my hair like this. Like, people legit think that this is my natural hair, and I'm just like, no, that's straight hair. Anyways, so I can usually wear my hair like this for 3 days. The second day, it's not as a volume, and then the third day, it does drop into nice loose mermaid waves, which I'm totally about. And then the 4th day, I probably will take a shower. Not a shower, wash my hair. That sounded gross, huh? Like, I kid you not, this hair makes me feel sexy. Like, I can just like, I feel like America's Next Top Model with this hair. Like, yes, honey, give it to me and I will give it to you. If you guys absolutely love this tutorial, super easy and simple, go ahead and like it, please. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are. But that's it. Now I have to start getting ready for work. So, peace the freak out. Got like hair in my eye.